Wagwan. Now, Wagwan is a polite and friendly Jamaican greeting. So, out of respect, I am acknowledging you and I am asking you, how are you doing? Okay? So, I am going to give you the meaning of 4 other Jamaican expressions that I have been using on this platform. Number 1, me glad fi see uno again. This means I am happy to see you once more. Make we chat about one another vowel today. This means let us talk or discuss another vowel today. Number 3. This one have the ooh sound. I am telling you that this is the vowel sound that I will be discussing in this lesson. Now in Patwa, we don't say sound, we say sound. So we drop the ending, that d at the end. And you're gonna hear that a lot in on this platform. Number 4. We find the ooh sound in a them word, yeah. What does this mean? It means that the sound of ooh is found in the next set of words that I'll be discussing or highlighting in this lesson. In fact, the ooh sound is discussed in this book. Some of you may have had it already. It says, Easy Steps to Learn Jamaican Patwa. Okay? Now, let's pick up our discussion by looking at some words with the ooh sound in them. There are 7 of them. Choose, food, fruit, juice, music, ruby, and stew. Again, choose, food, fruit, juice, music, ruby, and stew. Now, you see how them words you spell in a Patwa? Them different from in English. So me a beg you, write them down. Okay? Now, me go use some of them words. In fact, me go use all of them words here. Them 7 words to make sentence. Alright? Then all of we, I go read them. Yes, man. Me and Uno, I go read them. Okay? Number 1. Reggae music come from Jamaica. That means say, ayaso it make. Enough people are foreign love it. Again, reggae music come from Jamaica. That means say, ayaso it make. Enough people are foreign love it. Good. Clap yourself. We now go on, good man. Number 2 sentence. The picnic them love to go shopping with them family. Cause sometimes them get to choose them favorite fruit or them special juice. One more time. The picnic them love to go shopping with them family. Cause sometimes them get to choose them favorite fruit or them special juice. Clap in yourself, man. Nice. Never know, bro. Last sentence. Ruby love our food bad. She just left ya in a hurry and say she'll go home fi go cook stew peas and rice for our dinner. Then she'll go back it up with enough juice. Again. Ruby love our food bad. She just left ya in a hurry and say she'll go home fi go cook stew peas and rice for our dinner. Then she'll go back it up with enough juice. So Ruby go drink one large jug of juice. That we mean when we say she'll go back it up with enough juice. Okay. I am going to help you to understand a little bit about the Jamaican culture. And the stew peas and rice thing is a Jamaican cultural thing. It's nice, it's really nice can done. And it's easy to cook. So you know say, Ruby have to cook it with enough coconut milk or coconut juice. Are the same thing that. And she have to make some little spinach, little dumpling. We call them spinners, and put them in the stew peas. Then she have to season it up with enough onion and scallion and thyme and Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And then she have to sprinkle some black pepper to spice it up. She can use pimento as well to spice it up. We no say sprinkle black pepper, we say prinkle. Prinkle black pepper and use pimento to spice it up. Okay. But here's the thing. Different people put different meat in it. Me no know whether Ruby are gonna use chicken foot, whether she gonna use turkey neck, or what she gonna put in it. But me know say if she no put pig's tail in it can't taste nice like a female one. Yes, man. The pig's tail really make it taste nice and give it that special flavor. Alright. I'm glad that me hope so enjoy the lesson. I really hope so love it. And next time we will talk some more. So tap and catch you no bread. Next time me give unu the rest.